Hi and welcome to Matt's Garage. I'm starting a little mini-series within this season called What Would You Do? See, I've just bought this 1966 Ford Bronco and a lot of you are sharing your opinions on how I should do this build. I love the opinions. I think there's some great ideas and wisdom out there. But the devil's in the details. So I want to take you in close, one little subject at a time, and ask you, what would you do? Today's subject is these Fender Flares. Now, these are super interesting. I've never seen these on a Bronco before. They're not hard plastic and they look okay from 10 feet away. But you get in close and you start to see that these are in really rough shape here. On top of that, when they did this, they didn't take the flares off to paint it. So there's a white line where the copper paint stops. I'm going to show you underneath here. That's the craziest part. Look at the quantity of the bolts holding this on. But wait, there's more. The rears are in particularly bad shape. They're coming apart. You can see back there. And I'm not sure if it'll come up on camera. Let's see. I'm gonna take you in under the skirt here. You can see the lip of the rear quarter is pretty banged up. It's not a nice roll like it would come from the factory. Now I like the fact that this Bronco's got uncut fenders, and I'd like to keep it that way. So what are my options? Well, one is I could leave the Fender Flares on and just run the crappy, wavy, cracked up Fender Flares. Two, I could cut them off and just run it with the holes in the white line. Maybe that would look cool. Three, I can cut the rear fenders and get all new Fender Flares at all four corners. Or four, I could take them off for now, enjoy it, and then repair the lip and do the body work way down the road, much later after I've had a chance to enjoy the Bronco for a while. So I have to ask you, what would you do? Please comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe.